Hi guys, it's Gar Guy UK. So today we have this product. So it's a 10.26 IPS touchscreen. So it's a portable wireless Apple CarPlay car stereo system. It comes with Bluetooth, hands-free FM transmitter, voice control, and it's for all vehicles. So you can use this with Android as well. I'm on iPhone because I'm quite invested into the Apple ecosystem, as I've mentioned before, so I'm not going to be able to show you the Android Auto side of it, but I'll definitely show you the CarPlay side. So if we just have a look on the box, if it mentions some of the features. So it's touchscreen, it's powered by the cigarette lighter. As I say, it's wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Bluetooth and voice command. So what we get in the package, we get a mount, an aux cable, user manual, multimedia player itself, cigarette lighter charger. So yeah, let's have a look for ourselves. Okay, so just pop that down to one side, so that's the actual unit. Let's take the contents out and then get rid of the box. Okay, so what do we get? So we get the instruction booklet. I think this is a sticky pad to help stick onto the dash. We have the cigarette lighter charger, and here we've got an auxiliary cable. Okay, so we've got the unit, so let's have a look. Okay, so it feels quite sturdy and well built. We have the on switch there. That's the front of the screen. So as I say, 10.26 inches. There's the sticky bit. So on the side we've got a USB Type-C connection, an AV in, an auxiliary port, and then also an SD card slot. So yeah, lovely looking screen, so keep that on to protect it. So what we need to do now is we need to test it, get it set up, see how it works. So I'll see you in the car. So at this point I realised I couldn't continue to film in the car as I needed my iPhone to be able to show you the CarPlay process. So I took it back indoors and continued to film on my iPad. So this is what it looks like when the front screen's loading. Okay, so we're taken to the main menu. So let's have a look at some of the settings. So we've got screensaver, we'll leave that off. Voice command, we'll keep on. Got driving position. Language is already in English. We don't want to factory reset it, and we don't want the firmware version. Back key. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to be interested in Apple CarPlay, as I have an iPhone and I'm locked into the Apple ecosystem, as I've already mentioned. So we'll look at Apple CarPlay. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll have a look at setting this up on my phone. So we want to pair the device. and we're looking for T86. And there it is at the bottom. Click pair. Allow. Use CarPlay. So that was really easy to set up. So there's the music screen that's already loaded. So we'll just try that. So as you can see, the music's great. So all you would need to do is you would just need to stream that through your FM stereo. So you would need to set the FM section, which we'll do in a moment. So that's the volume. So yeah, if we go to the main CarPlay screen, and as you can see, it looks very familiar. It's very responsive. So rather than clicking back, which will take you to this screen, you just want to use this screen down here. So it works just like CarPlay would in your car. So you can go to your phone, and go to your messages, you can go to your maps. I'll blur that out as it's got my location. Save, it's got the wallpapers. And this screen's really clear as well, so it's really impressive. I'm really impressed with it. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description to where I purchased it from. It was on Amazon. So you can just search your Apple Music. Got your calendar there, bank holiday today. That just takes you back to this screen. Got your Google Maps. Should you not wish to use Apple Maps. That is royalty-free music, so that's absolutely fine to let you hear that. Okay, so this is where you would connect it to your car's audio system. So it does come with an auxiliary cable which you can plug into this and your auxiliary port into the car, and it will play via a cable. But if you wanted to use Bluetooth, so you wanted to stream through this device from your phone into your car's audio, then you can use the FM section. So all you would do is tune this to a station that has no music on it, so it's just static. So you tune your car to the same station as well, just making sure that there's no music playing, that it's static, and this station has to match as well. So for example, this 106.8, tune your car to 106.8 FM. As long as there's no music playing and it's just static, then you're able to play the music through the car. So it's really handy. So it just works as a Bluetooth streaming device as well. I think that's going to be the easiest way if you want to remain as wireless as possible. And if we go back to CarPlay, you can see that we're now selected to FM. And if we play the music, it won't play now through this system, it'll be playing through the radio station frequency that you've set. So as long as the car is tuned to that same radio frequency, it'll be picking it up. So yes, really impressive. It's a really nice bright display. You can go as bright as you want. And as I say, it's got Android Auto as well, so if you've got an Android phone, you're on Samsung, something like that, and you'll still be able to use it. But yeah, it's a lovely clear display. And there you go, that's a message just coming through now, so I've just text myself just so you can see that on the display. And if you select it, you've got the options to reply, repeat or call. So you can cancel the message there, change it, we're just going to let it send. So yeah, it's all voice control using Siri. You don't need to have any other equipment. It's just seamless and it just works really well. Just how you would imagine CarPlay to work. So as I say, I'll leave a link in the description. I purchased it from Amazon. I think it was around £100. I think it's well worth it if you want to add CarPlay into your car and you haven't got a screen already. This is just easy just to stick onto the top of your dashboard and use it as a really good hands-free device for music, sat-nav, everything from your phone basically. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel as that will help, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.